Hello guys, today we will going to solve the question where class interval is given 6.5 to 7.5 up to 12.5 to 13.5 and the frequency value is given. We are to find out mean, median and mode. First of all, we will find out the mean value. When we are to find out the mean value and class interval is given, then first of all we will find out the mid value. That mid value will be denoted by x and frequency is denoted by f, and we will find out the product of the frequency and the x value. Mid values are denoted by x. Then the mid value of 6.5 to 7.5 will be 6.5 plus 7.5 divided by 2, and this will give you 7. Likewise, the other mid value will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. We have find out the mid value and the frequency value is already given. Now we will find out the product of f and x. First value 5 into 7, 35, 12 into 8, 96, 25 into 9, 225, 48 into 10, 480, 32 into 11, 352, 6 into 12, 72, 1 into 13 equal to 13. After that, we will find out the summation of the frequency value and the fx value. Total frequency will be denoted by n, and the total frequency value is 129. Summation of fx equal to 1273. We have already found that summation of fx equal to 1273, n equal to 129, and the formula for mean value equal to summation of fx divided by n. Now we will substitute the value and it will give us the answer. Summation of fx equal to 1273 divided by n equal to 129. And this equal to 9.87. Therefore, mean equal to 9.87. Now we will find out the median value. To find out the median value, we will find out cumulative frequency column. First value equal to 5, next value will be 5 plus 12 equal to 17, 17 plus 25 equal to 42, 42 plus 48, 90, 90 plus 32, 122, 122 plus 6, 128, 128 plus 1, equal to 129. Here last column of the cumulative frequency and total frequency equal to 6. Therefore our calculation is correct. Since n equal to odd number 129, therefore we will use the formula n plus 1 by 2th term. N equal to 129, which is a odd number. Therefore we will find out n plus 1 by 2th term. Now if you substitute the value, then it will give you 129 plus 1 divided by 2. One two nine plus 1 equal to 130. 130 divided by 2 equal to 65. 65 lies between 42 and 90 in the cumulative frequency column. 90 is greater than 65. Therefore, we consider the value 90 in the cumulative frequency column. The corresponding class interval of 90 is 9.5 to 10.5. Therefore, the median class for this question will be 9.5 to 10.5. Now we will use the formula median equal to L plus n divided by 2 minus Fc divided by F into H. Here L means the lower limit of the class interval. We have already found that corresponding class interval is 9.5 to 10.5. Therefore, lower limit for this class interval equal to 9.5. L value will be 9.5. N equal to total frequency. Total frequency equal to 129. FC means cumulative frequency of the class interval preceding the median class. So for the median class, the corresponding cumulative frequency is 90 and the preceding cumulative frequency value is 42. Therefore, FC value is equal to 42. F equal to frequency of the median class. Now the frequency of the median class equal to 48. Therefore, F equal to 48. H value equal to 1. Now H equal to length of the class interval. So we can find out the class interval by subtracting the lower limit from the upper limit. Upper limit value equal to 10.5, lower limit value equal to 9.5. Now my 10.5 minus 9.5 equal to 1. Therefore H equal to 1. Now we have all the values for the formula. Now we will substitute the values to the formula and the values will be L value equal to 9.5 plus F value equal to 48 and in the numerator value equal to n divided by 2. N value 129 divided by 2 minus FC. FC value equal to 42 multiplied by H value equal to 1. Then it equal to 9.5 plus 129 divided by 2 is equal to 64.5 minus 42. Then if you multiply any value by 1, it will give you the same number. Therefore, no need to write down about into 1. Then equal to 9.5 plus 64.5 minus 42 equal to 22.5 divided by 48 equal to 9.5 plus 22.5 divided by 48 equal to 0.47 and equal to 9.97. Therefore, we found the median value 9.97. Now we will find out the mode value. Since the question is given in class interval, therefore we will use the formula L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here L equal to lower class limit of the model class. So we have found that 48 is the highest frequency value, therefore the corresponding model value will be 9.5 to 10.5. So how to find out the model class? The highest frequency value and their corresponding class interval will be called the model class. Here 48 is the highest value in the frequency column. Therefore, we will consider the value 48 and its corresponding class interval is 9.5 to 10.5. Therefore, the model class equal to 9.5 to 10.5. Now, the lower limit of this class interval is 9.5. Therefore, L equal to 9.5. F1 value. F1 means the frequency of the model class. So, we have already found that 48 is the highest value. Therefore, F1 value equal to 48. F0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class. So, the frequency which is preceding to the value 48 equal to 25. Therefore, F0 value equal to 25. The meaning of F2 is frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So, the value which succeeds to the 48 is 32. Therefore, F2 is equal to 32. H equal to class interval, length of the class interval. Now H value equal to 1. So we have all the values for the formula. Now you will substitute the values to the formula. N value equal to 9.5 plus F1 value equal to 48 minus F0 value equal to 25 divided by 2 F1, 2 into 48 minus 25 minus 32 into 1. So it will give you 9.5 plus the numerator value 48 minus 25 equal to 23. Denominator value 2 into 48 equal to 96 minus 25 minus 32. Now this value is multiplied by 1, so it will give the same value. Now equal to 9.5 plus numerator value equal to 23, denominator value 96 minus 25 plus 32 equal to 57 equal to 9.5 plus 23 divided by 39. 96 minus 57 equal to 39. it will give you 9.5 plus 23 divided by 39 equal to 0.59 and equal to 10.09. So we have found that mode equal to 10.09.